Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines, the Housecly portable washing machine and the GZJ portable washing machine. In this video, we will delve into their features, specifications, and usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's explore what these compact devices have to offer. When it comes to washing capacity, the GZJ portable washing machine takes the lead with a 15-liter capacity, making it suitable for larger loads compared to the Housecly model, which has an 11-liter capacity. This difference can be crucial for users who need to wash more items at once, especially during travel or in small living spaces. Another important factor to consider is voltage compatibility. The Housecly portable washing machine operates on 220 volts, which may require an adapter in certain regions. In contrast, the GZJ model operates on 110 volts, making it more versatile and suitable for a wider range of locations without the need for additional equipment. Lastly, let's discuss the control mechanisms. The Housecly model features a traditional push-button control, while the GZJ model utilizes a modern touch control interface. This difference may appeal to users who prefer a more intuitive and responsive experience when operating their washing machine. In conclusion, both the Housecly and GZJ portable washing machines offer unique features that cater to different needs. The GZJ model stands out with its larger capacity and voltage compatibility, while the Housecly model provides a compact solution for smaller loads. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.